Bumper covers are one of the most common damaged parts on a vehicle during a collision event. It is important for the repair facility or insurer to recognize repair opportunities in order to reduce cycle times, increase repair profits, decrease claim expense, and increase customer satisfaction. In this training course, we will be reviewing the steps to repair a bumper cover crack or tear that require a structural repair. There are alternative forms of repair due to advancements in collision repair equipment, such as nitrogen welders and hot stapler kits. But using a reinforcement patch is the most commonly encountered repair method and will be demonstrated in this course. The standard operating procedure for this repair involves 6 steps. Remove the bumper cover. Clean the bumper cover. Inspect the damage. Prepare the panel for patch. Application of repair material. Final finishing. Step 1. Remove the bumper cover and place on a stand. To perform a structural repair to a bumper cover, access to both front and rear sides of the panels are required. The technician will carefully remove the cover from the vehicle and place on a secure bumper stand. Step 2. To ensure the quality of the repair, the bumper must be cleaned thoroughly, both front and back. Start by washing the bumper cover with soap and water. Dry with air and clean towels as needed. After the panel is dry, use the appropriate compliant wax and grease remover to clean the surface. Step 3. Inspect the damage. Inspect the damaged area of the bumper cover to determine the size and scope of the repair. It may be necessary to use a heat gun or lamp to reshape the deformed areas around the tear or crack to prepare for proper repair. Step 4. Prepare panel for patch. Begin the repair by tapering out the damage on the front surface of the bumper cover using 60 to 80 grit sandpaper. For best results, we recommend a file belt sander. The taper should be about 3 inches wide and rounded, gradually tapering down to the bottom of the damaged area. Now, sand the damaged area with PA 80 grit to remove any melted plastic and create a rough surface for bonding. Be sure to keep the scratches contained to the tapered area with PA 180 grit. Step 5. Application of the repair material. On the back side of the damaged area, apply adhesion promoter and allow for the appropriate flash time. Now, cut the flexible patch to the shape desired, allowing for a 1 to 1.5 inch border around the damaged area. Apply the patch firmly. Apply aerosol adhesion promoter to the front of the damaged area and allow the appropriate flash time. Prep and equalize a cartridge of your selected plastic repair material. For any 2-part product, you will want to equalize the cartridge prior to installing the tip. This will ensure the correct mixture of the product and quality of the repair. Apply the adhesive in a tight coat for good adhesion. Build thin, overlapping wet coats of the repair material until it is higher than the original plastic. Allow the adhesive to dry in accordance with the manufacturer's information. Step 6. Final finishing of the repair area. After the repair material has completely cured, use a DA with P150 grit to level the high spots. Follow with the hand block and P150 grit to straighten and shape the repair. Blow off the repair with air and inspect the area, checking for low spots or any pinholes in the repair material. If they are visible, repeat the previous steps until no issues are detected. Using a DA with P320 grit to feather edge the repaired and surrounding area, be sure to remove all 150 grit scratches. Blow off the repaired area with air and inspect. The bumper cover is now ready for prime and paint per the paint manufacturer's recommendations.